what would you do in your body position? That's good, really nice. Fantastic. Okay, so nice big D shape. Relax the heels, that's it, there we go. Nice, just relax into it, bit more. Nice. Nice, much better. More speed. Nice, much better. Good. Nice. Nice, well done. That's good. Nice. Right, hold on, that's it, your foot back on. Let it go. Nice, that's good. And then, nice. Yeah, nice, well done. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, fantastic, well done. Easy. Whee! Yes! Oh, stay on it, stay on it.